Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Me. I'm back with another video, and this video is me tiptoeing through my eyeshadows. And the eyeshadow I'm going to be using today is by Revolution, or Makeup Revolution, and it's their Tammi X collab. I think this was their first one. This is what the packaging looks like. She's a black YouTuber that they collabed with, so I figured that would be great to use today. Here is the eyeshadow, what it looks like, and it has a sheet with all the colors, names on them, and these are the colors. So let's see what I can do with this. Well, y'all, this is the final look. I must say this isn't as pigmented as I would like, but I mean, it's a Revolution. It's a Makeup Revolution palette. So, but there are beautiful colors in here. As a reminder, there are some beautiful colors in here. Just not that as pigmented as I would like, but I still came up with this look. Okay, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.